Hi and welcome everybody. This is Joni at Granny J Clay, and I'm taking a little break from clay right now, and I'm just doing some beading. And not so fancy beading, just regular putting beads on a wire or putting beads on a thread. It's just very simple, actually. And I had a big project yesterday. I made, I think, 6 necklaces and pairs of earrings too. And but what started me out was this particular necklace here. This is a wooden necklace, and I order wood beads sometimes from, let me bring it in for you, from, okay, I want to make sure you see it, American Woodcrafters Supply, Riceville, Iowa, www.awsc-online.com. And they ship real quick. They're just real fast at what they do, and they've got lots of wonderful things to look at. I'm kind of really enjoying some wood beads right now. So let me just show you what I've been doing. One of my sisters has a birthday coming up here in a few days, and I am going to send her some fun jewelry. She really likes color. I do too. And so I tried to make it as colorful as I could. This is the first one that I made. These particular beads are a very deep, dark navy. And I ordered those just like that. They were, I can't remember. I don't know that I ordered these navy beads from the American Woodcrafters Supply. It may have come from someone else. Most of my beads come unfinished, and then I usually color them with ink or acrylic paints. And I thought maybe I would talk about that too as I go through my stash here of things that I made, but I thought they were so cute. This is cute. I did the closure a little bit different. I added a bead on the end. Let me just show you here. And made that noose kind of what did you call it? Oh, I can't remember what they call that knot. But anyway, I made that knot. You probably recognize what it is. Kelly, on Kelly's Beads, she makes those all the time. She's really, barrel knot. That's what it is. Anyway, and then I put bead caps. Aren't those pretty bead caps? On the very first bead. And I put a little glue on this and glued it actually to the bead so the bead would stay close to it. It's because it needed a little space in between. But anyway, so what I have here are navy, beige, and cranberry. Isn't that they're just so pretty. That's a fun necklace and earring set. So that's the set number 1. And then I thought, oh, I'll just make a few more. I have sent her many, many pieces of jewelry. Many. Okay, let me just move this off to the side a little bit and see if I can show you the rest. Okay. The next one I made was really colorful. This is really fun. I actually used thread for this. I did this one with leather because the holes on the beads were large enough to take it through those beads, so that was nice. And I got some leather from Exotica. I think that's where Emma gets hers too. I think that's where I heard about it in the first place, actually. So here's this. Isn't this pretty? Look at all those beautiful colors. I think they call these, I'm not sure why, miracle beads or something, but they're pretty. And then I made this set of earrings to go with it. These are cute little hearts. Let me see if I can bring it up a little bit further. I just don't want to blur it out for you. Isn't that pretty? So there's several colors there. I don't know if you can see how that glows or not, or you can kind of see this little white one doing it. Some of them do that. So pretty. So that's very colorful. This is very long. Let me measure it. I have got a yardstick taped to my desk. I used to have one taped to my desk when I first started. I forgot about that when we moved. So I taped it again. So this measures, when you measure it like this, from the top of the necklace to about, it measures 16 and a half. Yeah, 16 and a half. And you can also, you know, wrap it around twice. You'd have to unhook it to wrap it around twice. You can put it over your head this way because it's long enough, and you can do that with this one too. You couldn't wrap that one twice, but you can wrap this one twice. Anyway, I thought that was just so pretty. Not pretty, summery, kind of just fun. Okay, so that's the next one. And let's see. Okay, I'll put this one up next here. I think this is so pretty. Royal, kind of a royal blue. Let me bring it around this way. This is, I think I did this one with wire. I'm pretty sure I did. And I think it was just 4 pound. They're very lightweight beads. Actually, 4 pound fishing line is what it was, I think. Okay, there. Aren't those pretty? Again, I used some of the hearts that I've got. And it's got a hole down here and a hole at the top, so I just added 2 little tiny beads, a little silver bead and then another little blue bead. And they're so lightweight. I'm into having very lightweight earrings. I don't know about you guys, but my ears tend to say no thank you when I get something heavy on them, so I think that's a really pretty color. Okay, that's another set. And I'll bring in a short one for now. This is more of a round one. Let's see, how long is this one? This one is, okay, this is measuring 16 inches. If I just measure the one side, which is what I do, it measures 8 inches, but all the way around it would be 16. So it fits further up on your neck. So if you can see that, and let's see where they put, oh, no. Where did I put those? Here they are. I really like these. I used the beads, and then I just had a metal finding and used that, attached it to that. Isn't that pretty? And they just hang really nice. So that's the other one. And that's different shades of green, as you can tell. This is a man-made, manufactured looking shell, but it's got those colors in it that are just so pretty. Very, very cute. Okay, put that one over there. And let's see, which one? Oh, I'll get you another fun one. Well, I'll leave those till last. Obviously, those were pearls. The last one were pearls. This is pearls as well, and it's the same size. And I happen to have a stone. I have several different kinds that are just sitting in my drawer, and I haven't done anything with them yet. Well, I've used them before in some necklaces, some other ones, but I thought, wow, this one really matched those beautiful pearls. And so decided to put a little brown with it because there's brown in the stone. And I believe I ordered several of these. I mean, not several. For me, several would be like 5, 6, something like that, from Dakota Stones. So you could look that up if you wanted to. I find them a little pricey, but their things are nice. They're very nice. So that's where I got that. And I like these little earrings. And I had these little spacers, these little brown spacers, if you can see them. So I used those because I wanted to bring the brown out there, and I've got them in the necklace right along here too. Here as well as here. So that is another one. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, which one is next? You know what, I'll just show you this. The one that I did the other day where I made the components, several components. Let's see here. I took I had 3 left because I had put, let me just grab it quick. Okay. I had made several of those clusters, and I had put, you've seen this already, but I had put this on 4 of them on this necklace. I think I might have said 3 in my video, but it's 4 of them. So I made that, and I like it, but I wanted to do something different. And so I thought I had 3 left. I had made 7. So I had 3 left, and so I decided, I'll just get this pretty chain that I already had. It already had a closure on it and everything. It's so shiny, so pretty. And even though this is kind of a rose gold, and that really looks pretty on that, the pins that I used have the ball head pins are silver, and so I just used a silver one. And let's see, and then I made a set of earrings, again very lightweight, very ear friendly. So nobody likes heavy earrings. Oh, I forgot I had tape to my hand. Oh, okay, take that off. So let me see if I can come down just a little bit, and you can see that a little bit better. There we go. So what I did is I took the other 2 apart and I added several to this one, and I took the original jump ring out of the middle, took it off, dumped all the beads off, and I got a smaller jump ring. I think, I can't remember, it might have been a size 6 maybe. And I wanted it to feel, more gathered together, more clustered up like a ball. And so I did that, and then I've just got a few pieces left now from the other 2 clusters that I made. So I'll just save those for a different project. But I really think this is cute. And this kind of sits up at your neck as well. Let me see how long this is. It's not as long as those other beads that are pretty colorful over there. This one side of the chain, if I fold it in half, measures 8.5. So 17, I guess, if you measure all the way around, 17 inch. And I know usually people do either a 12 inch, 14 inch, 16 inch, that kind of a thing. But that's what that measures. So that's that. And I think it turned out nicely. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back up a little bit. And I'll push these over here. And I only have 2 necklaces left. This is kind of fun to do. And these are just kind of out there somewhere. Let me just measure it before I even bring it in. It's long. It's very long. Okay. If I fold it in half, it measures to almost 17 inches here. Let me bring it in. So I use some pearls and some brown beads. Let me show you. And you can pull this apart if you'd like. Make it shorter. But that's what I made on that one. It's hard to get it all in the screen. Very hard. I'll do that. Okay. And then I made these. These are big. And they're lightweight. Wood is very lightweight. So they're so cute on. Oh, they're just playful and fun. So these particular wood beads, I used some acrylic paint on them. Do you want to know an easy way to do that? I saw several different ways to do that on the internet, but the easiest way I saw, and the one that I did, was you just take a container that's, you can buy those containers at the grocery store or Sam's or Costco. They're clear plastic ones with lids. And you just drop the color of your choice into the container, and then just a drop of water. Mix it up a little bit with a skewer or something so it gets mixed into the paint. And then you put your beads in there, put the lid on, and you shake, 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 shake. And it doesn't take very long, and you get pretty, pretty beads. You bring them out, you dump them on a paper plate, you shake the plate a little bit, keep shaking it, because a lot of the paint will come off. And then I rolled it back onto another plate, and I shook it a little bit more, and then I rolled it onto a third plate, and I let them dry. I did use my heat gun for drying, so they go a little bit faster, but they dry quickly. I wouldn't have had to do that. They dry quickly. In fact, I've done some. Let me just show you this. These are black, and these are square, and I did some this morning. I can see that where I have to touch up on a couple. these have been drying since early this morning. So these will be cute. And you can do other things. You can splatter white paint on them, or you can marble it. If you want to marble paint onto your wood, you know, when you put your first color, your main color in, put it kind of off to the side and let that be a larger blob or drop or whatever you want to call it in your plastic container, and then right beside it kind of drizzle some white or gold or silver or whatever you want, and then just kind of mix it together, and then throw these back in after you've you know, got them painted this color, and then they will, or I guess that's right at the beginning. If you do it right at the beginning, you can catch it, but you can put them back in after you've painted too. If you think, oh shoot, I don't want them just completely pink, you want white, put white in, a little bit of white in there, shake them up a little bit, and they will be speckled or marbled looking. I haven't done that yet, but I may do that with these. We shall see. So I'll take that out. Again, these are some pearls. I think I got those at Michael's. And then some brown beads. And then these are just very lightweight wooden beads. So we'll move these to the side as well. This is the last set that I made. This is on, and that was on leather. This is also on leather. Let me bring it up here. Okay. Can you see that? Oh, isn't that pretty? Blue and purple together is pretty. And I made the this also like this. You know, you can do whatever you want. Kind of adjust it that way. It's just a fun necklace. It's pretty, and it does hang long. This one, if I fold it in half, measure this, it measures 14.5 inches. So you double that. You know, if you make it the long way, you double that. And your piece of leather, I mean. Let me pull it all the way in so maybe you can see it a little bit better here. Yeah, just bring it in a little bit. No. And you could wear it that way too if you wanted to. I don't know if these leather ends would lay very nicely, but there it is. And then I made, oh, these are just so lightweight. It's just amazing. I used some leather on this as well. And I just tied a knot, slipped a silver bead on like I had on here. Put the wooden bead on and a smaller silver bead, but the leather still fit through it. And then what I used was an end where you can, you put a little bit of glue in it, but, and then you crimp it. So I just stuck a little bit of glue inside, and then I pushed the leather up into it, and then I took my little plier and squeezed it right in the middle, crimped it right in the middle. That just works really, really well. They're different, yes, they're different, but cute. Now that looks like it's got a little, I'm gonna have to take care of that. Maybe go over it with a little blue paint. I don't know if you can see it or not. See? Yeah, right there. Okay, so that's what I made. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you like it. Now I'm going to go make a project, one more project today, and I may film that one. So stay tuned. We shall see what we shall see. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I've been doing. And if Vicki, if you're watching this, my sister, she is, I'm 72, she's 73. We both have birthdays coming up. So she'll be 74, I guess. Yeah. Wow. We're getting older. Nah. Happy birthday, Vicki, if you're watching this. You get to see it before it gets there. She lives in Texas, so I wish she lived closer. Okay, I'll let you go for now, and I may see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. God bless you all.